Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to use audio input capture in OBS. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, you'll want to open your OBS application on your computer. Once OBS launches and you can see your main dashboard, direct your attention to the bottom left corner of your screen. This is where you'll find the Sources panel, which is essential for adding all types of media to your broadcast or recording setup. In the Sources section, look for the small plus icon. Click on this icon to reveal a menu with various source options you can add to your OBS scene. From this menu, you'll need to select Audio Input Capture. This option allows you to add any microphone or audio input device directly to your OBS setup, giving you full control over your audio sources. After clicking Audio Input Capture, a new window will pop up. Here, you have the option to rename your audio source if you'd like. You might want to give it a more descriptive name that makes it easier to identify later, especially if you plan to use multiple audio sources in your setup. Once you've named it or decided to keep the default name, go ahead and click OK to proceed. Now you'll see a Properties window appear with several configuration options. The most important setting here is the Device drop-down menu. Look for the Device field and click on the drop-down menu right beside it. This menu will display all available audio input devices connected to your computer. Take a moment to review the list and select your preferred microphone from the available options. Make sure you choose the correct device if you have multiple microphones or audio inputs connected. Once you've selected your microphone, click OK to confirm your selection. Your microphone should now appear in the audio mixer panel, which is typically located at the bottom center of your OBS interface. This audio mixer is where you'll be able to monitor and control all your audio sources in real time. At this point, you might want to adjust your microphone volume to ensure your audio levels are optimal. In the audio mixer, you'll see a volume slider next to your newly added microphone source. Simply drag this slider left to decrease the volume or right to increase it. Keep an eye on the audio meter beside the slider to make sure your levels aren't too low or too high, which could result in distorted audio. And that's it. You've successfully added and configured audio input capture in OBS, giving you complete control over your microphone audio. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.